Kambuni ya PROTO nĩ tacoketie makinya ma bata harĩ uthondeki wa thitima ĩtarathukia rĩera kũrĩa thĩinĩ wa ikereka rĩayo rĩa mbere rĩa mwaka wa 2025 ĩhotete kũhũrana na rĩera rĩa carbon dioxide rĩa makĩria ma tani 7,000.
Today I think PROTO are marking a day where we are launching a journey that we want to start. And it's just not sustainability for us. It's not just a big initiative. For us, it's a commitment on how we operate, how we grow, and even how we innovate. And what we want to do as PROTO is just not make sure that we have a clean energy out there, but also we want to make sure that it's inclusive, clean and safe. And I think with the collaboration with EPRA, we have been able to ensure that then the penetration through adding more cylinders in the market, ensuring that we are protecting the investment in cylinders against illegal refilling, but mostly the integrity of every cylinder that is in every home.
Kĩoneki kĩao arĩ gũtigĩrĩra bũrũri nĩ ũranwo na thitima ĩrathũkangia marĩa matũrigicĩirie gũgĩkinyĩria mwaka wa 2030 magĩkinyũkia makinya ma bata harĩ kũgarũrĩra ũhũthĩri wa ngo mathukuru-inĩ hamwe na ũhandi wa mĩtĩ.
Gas is 2 times cheaper than both charcoal and wood. It is cleaner, it gives you more possibilities for the ladies who are cooking, for our women, for our children, even for our men in this country. We can make sure that with the SDGs, that with clean energy, our lives are better, they are easier, and mostly we are creating opportunity for our children to spend more time in school, learn, and so that then we have an impact in this country.
Mwini wake Chris Kipto kuma rũhonge rwa kũramata mathogora ma maguta bũrũri-inĩ rwa EPRA nĩ ahĩmbĩirie wĩra ũrĩa ũkoretwo ũgĩtwarithio na mbere nĩ PROTO Energy kumana na wĩrutĩri wao wa ũthondeki wa hinya ũtarathũkangia marĩa matũrigicĩirie.
In terms of the school program, there is an EOI put out by the Ministry of Energy and Petroleum through the State Department of Petroleum, looking for financial institutions, looking for LPG oil marketing companies to partner with the government in terms of rollout of the LPG for schools program. We've been able to work on a schematic as the regulator. We, as I've said, we re-looked at the LPG regulations 2019. Now we have revised regulations of 2025 that have introduced licensing of installers, licensing of LPG cylinder manufacturers, which were not or provided for in the legal notice 100 of 2019. This now sets the stage for us to be able to license manufacturers, be able to license installers, the way we do for electricity, to ensure that the quality of workmanship at the school, because one of the biggest challenges and the most emotive issues with people is their health and their children.
Kĩoneki gĩa kambuni ya PROTO Energy harĩ gũtigĩrĩra hinya ũrĩa ũrahũthĩka ũrĩ wa thitima kana gas nĩ mũtheru na nĩ mwagĩrĩru kũrĩ nginya ũgima wa andũ a mwĩrĩ, na ho gũtigĩrĩra Mũkenya nĩ arũmbũiyo wega kĩmũhuko. Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, njĩtagwo Maina Kĩhumo.